L? What if I make this L? What if I do this? Counters L dice value percentage. I wonder if this will just work. I'm gonna make this M because they're technically gonna be different variables. Hi Brad, how are you? And hopefully it just shows up twice. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 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 But this is getting complicated. Maybe I'll just get a Caesar salad. Yeah, I didn't end up getting a Caesar salad. I ended up getting an enchilada, and guess what? It was actually pretty damn good, so... Okay. You need to take a sum of die value 1 and die value 2 and store it in another variable. Oh, wait. I can... Oh, wait. Sorry, my nose is itchy. I can take this part and put it... You poopy head. What? I'm doing homework. I'm just... She also didn't answer me. So I just need 1. And then the histogram would be 1 to 12. Yeah, that's why I'm correcting. Oh, and then I have to... Okay, okay. Wait. What is this? What does this run as? What? I thought you were going to see... She didn't answer. She hasn't answered yet. I ain't just gonna show up. Hi, Diego. Left on red by your own mother, not my mother. Someone else's mother. Okay, so I'm rolling 2 die. Eh. 2 dice, 2 die. 1 die, 2 dice. Whatever. Who the fuck cares? I know I don't. Okay. How many times would you like to roll die 1? Question mark. I hate that I can't use Control A and Control C. Okay. And then I had it aired out somewhere and I don't really remember. Oh, because they're 1 to 6, and that's 1 to 6. Should it stay 1 to 6 then? I'm doing math work, and I swear it's the same thing I did in freshman year. Brad, I wish. 400. I have to put a space. Wait. Is it gonna let me edit this? Okay. All these numbers added together is 400, not 800. Unless I'm... There's no way that's 800. But surprise, she has to text me back. Yeah, all of that together is 400. Hi, Chris. Who the fuck makes assignments due at 11 p.m.? I don't know. So this is not working the way I want it to work. But I could surprise you at your house. I have to do this, and then I have to go somewhere. I have to take a shower at some point. Like, today's just, there's too much going on. I have to bring my computer somewhere. You don't shower before stream? Why does it matter? It's not like you can smell me. Do I surprise now? But I'm doing stuff. I have to figure out how to fix this. Should I try 2 history? Take 5-minute total for surprise. What the heck is it? Okay, so that one's fine. Somewhere I have to put that. I just don't know if that's where. It's not going through as 2 times. Maybe I... put it back down here. Okay, put this back here. I don't think that goes there. Yeah. Dict on final exam schedule. That sucks. Okay, second one. I'm gonna change this variable. How does this? Oh. Two are at the same time? How are you supposed to do 2 at the same time? I know you can't see it, but it's doing a thing. Do I have to do... I have to do another histogram here? For die 1. Or die 2. Okay, I don't know if because they have the same... I'm gonna change this to P. Just in case. Because I think having the same variable will fuck it up. Basically the same thing twice. How many times would I like to roll die numero uno? 20. Okay, that's the histogram for die 1. How many times would I like to roll die 2? 20 as well. They're different histograms. They're different roll time percentages. Okay, is this fine? I don't know if this is fine. You don't have to combine them at all. So you can't... Apparently she says that 12, if you just do random 12, it skews the results. She says that I have to replace die value with die value 1 and die value 2, which I did. Return a random roll value from each, which should be 6, not 12. So I changed everything back to 6 because a die has 6 values. Then you need to take the sum of die 1 and die 2 and store in another variable and use that variable as a subscript to the arrays so you know which element is to increment by 1. Which that part, I'm like, what the fuck does that mean? Wait, what? 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 What is happening? Okay, hi Savior, I'm losing my mind. Are you confused? It's quite simple. What? Where? Why? What? Okay, if I roll this die... Shit. I need a space between these two. I don't like how it's... Okay, adding spaces to this one's not helping. How many times would you like to roll die 2? Where did I put that? That's in here. Can I like add a... Can I add a space before that? I don't know. What? Where did my quotes go? Where did my thing go? Hello? Did I just break it? Oh. No, it's fine. Is this acceptable? I don't know if this is acceptable. I'm losing my mind. I might just keep that as one space. And keep this one as one space. How many times would you like to roll die 2? Can I cut this and like put it there? After the last histogram, where's the first histogram? It's right here. And then it does the histogram. Oh. So is it this one I need to add another space to? 10. No, that's not what I wanted to do. I mean, it kinda is. But it just added... What the fuck? What in the fuck? I hate that it pops up underneath my face cam every time. I don't know if I'm ever gonna be able to get a space right there. Hello? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. First histogram ends... First histogram ends here. Right here. And this... Oh, why did it oh, because I actually did put a space before it. Lol? Can this box be bigger? Why is this like this? What if I did it like that? Would it work then? Would it be the formatting that I want then? Yes! Yes! My formatting! Okay. Now that I figured that out. She wants me to put somewhere counters total die value. I think she wants me to have this and this combined and have a combined histogram. That's what I think she's looking for. But I don't know how I'm... Hi, Brandon. Yeah, this is, I thought I did this ahead of time, and then, like, my teacher was like, oh, nah, dog. You gotta fix this. So now I'm, again, doing my homework. Okay. Let me just save this one as... the fuck? Dice simulation question marks? Can I save it like that? No, I don't think I can put question marks. Okay, I saved it as WTF. I need like a picture of this. Give me picture, please. This is so long. Your blinds are having a crisis. I have a clip in the middle, so I have a little bit of natural sunlight. I'm just gonna take a picture of it with my phone, because why not? Honestly, it's the easiest way to get the pictures down. Okay. Okay. Back to the scraps. How would I take those two singular things and combine them into one? And then combine the histogram. Icy hot. It's supposed to be cold and then hot, I presume. Okay, if I make an array... I have to make an array, add this bitch, add a counter, and then the roles to make... And then this will count the roles. And then I have to make another... counter? Oh god. Basically another copy of this? Question mark? Oh, wait, that's supposed to be an input. Ah! And then another thing with an output and then the percentage and then the output percentage thing. And then a histogram? Okay, let's see if this works. Okay. This is gonna be really scuffed, just so you know. 1, 2, 6. Okay. And then this is supposed to be, and it starts at 0. And then how many times would you like to roll the dice? And this is gonna... Okay, so I only need one of these, presumably, because it would be for both of them. Shit. Fuck. Roll count. It's 1, and then it's rolls to make. This is gonna be die value uno. Random of 6 plus 1. That's an exclamation point. Using capitalize a variable. I don't know. That's the one that she used. So I'd rather not use capital 1, but okay. Counter of die value 1 and counter. Oops, it's supposed to be plural. Counter die value. Okay. This one. Shit. I should have filled this in a little bit when I was having my thought process. Oh wait, this one's supposed to be K and then fuck. K and then 1 to 6. Okay, wait. Okay. So this is 1. I don't know if this is gonna work. I really don't know if this is gonna work. Never know until you send it, unfortunately. I have to somewhere put... This maybe there? Ow. And then I feel so small-brained. I think this stays the same. This is gonna be... Counters K. Or, and this is for the... I'm upset. And then a histogram? Ah! In histogram form for both dice. And then I have to add that. This is so complicated. For what reason? Who did this? Okay, circle. That's not how you spell circle. Circle loop 1 to... If this works, I will gift 10 subs. If this works first try, yeah. Gift myself 10 subs. Thus, I can make and lose money at the same time. It would result in a net loss. Put that out there. Okay. If this all does exactly what I'm trying to do, there you go. Stonks. I like have, I'm like 99% sure it's not gonna do what I want it to do. Well, let's, okay, how many times would you like to roll the dice? 20. Wait. Wait. It rolled 40 times. This is for 2 die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wait. Is this a... Is this what I need? Wait, are you telling me it did it? I think it did it. Because it rolled... I rolled 20 times for 2 die, and it's giving me... In here, if you add these all together, this is 40. And there's 40 circles here. Dice. Both dice, 1 die. Shut up. We fucked up. I think I just combined what I was supposed to combine. Wait. I'm so confused. Did it really just work? Did I really just do that? I'm so confused. That was I would tell you, I honestly did not think that was gonna work. But it looks like... Oh wait, no. It didn't work? Because the percent is fucked up. Look at the percentage. It's saying 25. I have to alter the percent. L. The percentage is fucked up. But everything else looks right. So, like, it kind of worked. It mostly worked. If I just divide the percentage by 2... If I just take this and divided it by 2, would it work? I don't want to think too much right now, so that's my best guess. Okay, 40. 3 divided by 40 is 0.75. Oh. Oh, I think it worked. I think I fixed it. 10, 9, 9. Why did I say it like that? 25 is definitely a quarter of 40. Let me try a different number. How about 30? That means it would roll 60 times. 13 divided by 60 is 21.6. I fixed it! That easy! Wow. I'm kind of impressed with myself, I'm not even gonna lie. Does anyone see anything wrong with this? We're rolling 2 die. If we roll 2 die 30 times, 2 dice, sword, don't even. If you roll 2 dice 30 times, they'll roll 60 times. Those are the correct percentages. This is a correct histogram for 60 circles. This should be 60 circles. I ain't gonna count them, but it looks more than 30, so. Is this correct? Did I do it? Can someone confirm that this looks right? If you didn't have to add them to 12? See, I wouldn't Are you doing homework? I am doing homework. I'm doing homework that I thought I already did correctly that I'm redoing because apparently both of them are incorrect. What language is this? This is Visual Logic. We're starting Python in like 2 weeks, I think. I think this is right. I think this is correct. Because you can't random with 12, it skews the results, basically allows 1 to be returned, which is impossible to roll with 2 dice. But the way I set up was 2 to 12. I didn't even put 1 as an option. Also, it doesn't allow for multiple ways to come up with the total for the dice. Using 12 is 1/12. However, the reality of a roll of 3-4 or 2-5 or 6-1 was all result in dice roll 7. It's not an even distribution with 2 dice. Honestly, I think this is as good as we're gonna get. As the same thing we talked about? Yes, but we were like confused. Do you think if I reply, Big, you know how I told you that if I posted on my discussion board, she would reply with like corrections? That's exactly what she did. Do you think if I reply to her again with this, she'll be like, or she'll just ignore me? Okay. I'm gonna save this. And oh, that is small. Can I do 62%? 63? Ah! 64? 65? Why is 68%? It just like zoomed off the screen. It seems to have... Where did my output box go? If I test, let's say I do 40. Can someone tell me what the percentage of 13 divided by... Alexa, what's 13 divided by 80? Okay, it's right. Want to keep streaming, help me with my fluid dynamics? I still have one other program I have to correct. I just have to take like a screenshot of my thing. File, save as. Two dice simulation, replace. Me alone, file, save as, 2 dice simulation, save. Okay, it is now saved as 2 dice simulation. Andrew, are you still here? Okay, so those pants look comf. They are. They're like fuzzy shit. Okay. I'm gonna reply to her and say, hopefully this is corrected. Hopefully this is correct. Hopefully this is correct. And then just pop in that VLSig file, as we do, and send it as a reply to her reply to my reply. Can I submit or nah? Oh. Those are pants? Yeah. Has pocket. She probably won't. I feel like she's not doing anything. File. Open. Where's my other one? Access granted. Okay. Boys and girls. This one, a little bit more complicated, but not. I have to make it so that it continues to run until, okay. So, for this, let me get my TXT file out. This one. Okay, these are the usernames and passwords. So if I input peanut butter, I have to do in quotes, peanut butter, and I put jam instead of jelly, it'll say that my username and password do not match. But it doesn't let me keep inputting until I get one that does match. So the problem is that it kicks me out. So, input user. Helpful hints. The best way to go about solving is creating a Boolean access granted equals false and create outer while access granted equals false, which should come before you. What? Okay. First of all, I forget what Boolean means. What's Boolean mean? A binary variable having two possible values, true or false. Okay. Boolean is literally true or false. Cool. It's creating a while access granted equals false, which should come before you receive input user. So here-ish, probably here. That should be this outer while loop. Make sure that found flag equals false is reset be including in that outer loop. This is not English! Be sure on the true branch of the if statement for input pass, you set access granted equals true so you could exit the loop. Huh? Can I just put an exit loop here? And then if it equals true, it exits? Do you follow Arya on Twitter? I don't think so. Why? I have to text Andrew. Arya. What is? It's loading. I've had my baby for over half a year. Today I found out Kisa's a boy. Wait, her cat's a boy? How do you... What? Did her vet not say, like, boy? Oh, hasn't taken him to the vet yet. Oh. Oh. Check replies, I see that. Oh, is it like a kitten? Okay. That's kind of very funny. Who is she to determine that? I mean, if you see a cat ding-a-ling, then you know it's a boy. Okay, okay. I have to create a... Do I have to put this in another if condition? Do I have to copy and paste this all into an if condition? You can see a human dingling and it be a woman. I don't think... I could be wrong, but I don't think there are transgender cats. I could be wrong, I guess. Why are we doing this? I don't know why Big is deciding that he wants to do this right now. Let me just program. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know what found flag is doing here. Oh. If I copy all of this and I put it into a cut, if I put it into a for loop, will it just keep going until variable name? Oh wait, no, this wouldn't work because I need values. I think this would have to be a while loop. And then that. Condition. This is probably scuffed, but we're gonna see what happens. Peanut butter. Yeah, I fucked this up. It don't like that. It don't like this at all. Can I make this a post test and then see? Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I've never done this before, so we're really experimenting now. And then it gets mad. Will it ever work spelt like that? Spelt like what? Oh, because access is spelled wrong? No, I don't think so. Even if it was spelt correctly. I know you can't see it, but okay. What are these? God dang. My squishmallows were delivered. They weren't supposed to come till tomorrow. Hello? Where were they delivered? Did someone just walk up to my front? Oh my god, they did. Oh my god, they did. The FedEx dude. The FedEx dude. Knife unboxing. Show nest feed. It ain't nest, okay? How do I do this where it won't just kick me out? I needed to like... I need like a while loop. Here's what she said. Helpful hints. Best way to go about solving a Boolean access granted equals false and create outer while access granted equals false, which should come before you receive input user input. Huh. If I take... This might not like this. Oh wait, I just put that in the same spot. I feel like I'm fucking this up real bad. Let's see what happens when I run it. Can I do something easier, like water? Closed captions? True. Why is it taking so long to load a goddamn Chrome tab? Making me angry. Okay. We're closed end captioning. What if I did it like this? Oh wait. What did it just do? What did that just do? Okay. Not that. Shit. It's not doing... Why did it do that? Why is it losing its mind? Username not found. But after this happens, it should just go back and ask me again. No? Instead of exiting, set the found flag to true. What, like here? Her. Okay, that makes it not freak out. But it doesn't let me... It doesn't go back to the input. So that technically fixed it, but also not. Second tattoo? Tattoo! Why does it not go back to here? How do I make this shit repeat itself? My Minecraft UHC wins 432. What if you win another UHC? Would you have to change it? Is that a dumb question? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. How do I make this shit keep going? I need a while loop that's like an outer... How many fucking while loops do I need? Okay, if X is granted equals false, that should be with this. What about if I make this if found flag equals false? Is oh, because I have it repeating like a dum-dum. What if I get rid of this one? Why does it come here and then decide we're just gonna keep going? Did the found flag you just made not be a boolean as well? I just made it a boolean. Yeah, that's a problem, but I'm wondering why it doesn't. What does that 1 to 10 bitch do? Honestly, I don't really know. I just think that it's necessary, but I'm not exactly sure what its purpose is. Oh, because I have to... It's something up here that you can't see. It's not set to check username again. It's either repeat the loop or end it right now. See, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make it so that it checks again instead of ending. I'm just... So, like, for this output, and this output, I need it to... Except for this one, I guess. So these two outputs, I need it to go through again and check again. Your face cam covers 1/3 of it. I can't make it any... Like, I can't really switch it around because... I guess I could move my face cam. But I need the little black bar there. Don't dox yourself by accident. I'm really good at doing that. I'll tell you that much. I think I'm okay. We're just slowly moving across the screen. This is really inefficient. Hello, I'm over here now. We're just gonna make it like that, just in case. Okay. There. So, this is what we're working with. My stomach is itchy. Okay. Honestly, I might just close this and reopen it because I've fucked around too much on it. Okay. So this is what it originally is. This is the way that it goes through, and it all works, but it doesn't set it back so that it can go through again. I got an arrow tattoo. Oh. That's cool. I have an appointment in an hour. I don't know if I'm gonna fix this. I don't know how to make it keep looping. Okay, let me read this. This is her helpful hint. I'm gonna read it verbatim. best way to go about solving is creating a Boolean access granted equals false and create outer while access granted equals false, which should come before you receive input user input that should be in this outer while loop. Also make sure the found flag equals false is reset, be including that in the outer loop. Keep asking the user to enter a username and password. Make sure on the true branch of the if statement for input pass equals password K that you set access granted equals true, so you exit the while outer loop. Then after the outer while loop, you can leave the statement for found flag equal true, which on the true branch will print access granted. What kind of word fuck is that? I just want to know. Did you say something? Exactly. Like, how unreadable could she have made this hint? I have to make a Boolean outer while loop. This would be fine if I could read it. Guess what? I'm gonna snip it and I'm gonna add it to the screen. What the fuck? What the? Okay, give me a second. I don't know where you want this, but here it is. That's my helpful hint. It would, I think it would be after it, actually. Is found flag your access granted? Found flag, honestly? I feel like found flag is just for the password. Found flag equals false. What the fuck? I think I need a boolean like up here somewhere that encapsulates like all of this. I think found flag is access granted. I'm gonna change it to access granted. Just so it makes sense in my brain. Why? Oh. Why did it go there? Creating a boolean access granted equals false. And create an hour while before you receive input user input. Okay. Of course that works. It's supposed to exit loop anyway. Okay. Yes! Okay. Well, if I put... But I put the wrong password. Dirk. I need it to go back to... Please type a value for user now. So now this works. Here, this doesn't work. So now 2 of them work. Are you having gun? Yeah. Do you reset to retype user or retype password? Well, if you think about it, if you type in your username and password wrong into something, I don't know. Does she say that I have to go back to user or go back to password? Keep asking user to enter username and password. She doesn't say. I'm gonna change this to what if I put I'll try this, but I don't think it'll work. Because I think it'll just keep going back to where it was going back to. So I need the correct user and incorrect password. Okay. Well, yes, but no. Username and password do not match. And then it says username not found. What? Oh, it goes down to here. I found a TikTok you need to try with Boo. Can you type after it stops? Maybe it's still running, just not prompting. It's not. After it stops, it like stops. If it doesn't prompt again, then you know it stopped. So this is getting me back to maybe the user and pass doesn't match. It goes back to K variable, not username input prompt. If I copy this and put it here, will it? I did not do that. Why ain't no enter? Why ain't no enter? I need it to, maybe if I do that one. Stop. Restart. User. Water. Password. Not. Nice. Water. Oh. Uh. Okay, input user. Yes. Input password. No. Oh. Yeah, I need to add. So I finessed it, but the wrong way. So technically this works, but it's not gonna bring me back into the loop. It's just gonna put me right there. Yeah. So I need to, how can I fix that? How could I make it go back into here? Just ask politely to loop. Here I have to do something. Play multimedia. Air horns. Ah! Okay. So the problem I'm running into now is username and password do not match. It brings me back to this, but it also has username not found because it goes through here. Can I make these? Can I separate these? Is that possible? If I added like another while loop and put this shit in it? Oh god, this is loop and loop. This is just a fuck fest of loops. Okay. User water. Fuck. Fuck. What if I do true? True. Water. That's not right. You set access granted to false, so of course it's gonna run because the condition of that loop is false. Which is what I need it to do, but it's going back through this now. I need it to run... Oh wait, what if I... Oh! Oh wait, what if I undo that, put that back, but made it true instead of false? Because then... How do I spell true? Because then maybe it'll go through the right one? Is this what we're saying? I need for it to like go through here. Can I like cut it and put it like here? I need it for when it goes out and goes out. You only want it true if it's not correct. I'm just trying to find a way to make it go back this way instead of down this way. What if I put in the wrong username? What happens then? Frog. Username not found. Oh, because it goes through here. I need the same thing for what this does. I have to find a way to get this back to input user. How do I get this back to here? This need to go here when it goes through. And I can't move this to like after. If I do found flag equals false. I don't know what found flag does, but she's talking. No. She mentions both of them, which confuses me. Water. Water. What does found flag do? She says it's a reset. And should also make sure the found flag equals false is reset B, including that in the outer loop. Why is my sister calling me? I just want to be left alone. I don't know what that just did. I just went to copy the verbiage, but okay, you said put access granted equals false here. Then use a diamond access granted after output. You want me to put a while loop here? And do what with it? I meant going to the input user. So you mean above it? Like here. That's a hexagon. Oh, you want an if statement. Jeez. Can you... Shapes are not good. Oh, you want it here. And then what with this? And then what? I don't know what you want me to do. I don't think it's gonna work like you think it's gonna work. Okay, I need this to go from out here back to this. The only way to make that happen... What if I cut that and... It does nothing. Okay, that makes sense. Bye, Chris. Goes out back here. And goes down. If I made this true, what happens? Or, wait, if I made this false, but put this... No, kept that there. And put this here? But it's still... But now that should... Should equal false. And it should go back through. No? Okay, okay, okay. Water. Okay, okay. Water. Oil. Shit. Access granted. Exit loop. Water. Oil. Access granted. Why does it not just exit loop? Water. Oil. Why doesn't it exit loop like I'm telling it to? It goes all the way through. I'm telling it access granted telling it to then exit loop. But it doesn't do that. It just goes through here, through here, through here, and then goes through again. If access is granted, it doesn't have to go through again. What if you told it to exit loops on the loop of the... You're gonna have to be more specific than that. Like here? Water. Username not found. Well, that's not right. Access granted. Why doesn't it exit? Oh, it goes to the way to exit the loop. It doesn't just exit the loop. Can I add something that makes it like stop? Can I give this its own way to go out? How long have you been looking at the screen? Obviously, I'm just not looking at the same screen, not doing anything. See, I don't know why it says... Username not found for water? And it still doesn't work the right way. I don't know how to give this its own, like, end. Like, if I could... Shit. Username not found. Why is it doing this? I'm not putting in the wrong username though. Has to go through this one first. Cut. Paste. Cut. Paste. Water. What? Okay, it goes... Wait. Okay, goes through here. Username and password. It goes through here. Oh my god. Ha? What? If I put an exit loop here, will that fix it? Why does it do... Is this a game? It feels like a game. I feel like I'm being punked. I have to leave, like... soon. I have to leave, like, now. Why does it do this? Why does it go through this one again? I don't understand. Oh, wait. Now it's doing username not found. Water. What? Why does it do this? Why? What if I delete this? I don't like not knowing. Ugh! Why does it go through like 70 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The fuck? I just want it to leave the loop after it gets here. Yeah, that's what I figured, Big. Is there any way I can separate this? I need to make this its own loop and this its own loop. Or maybe I just need to make this its own loop. But it has to connect. It has to get here. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna save this. As a work in progress. Well, that's it for now, stream. I gotta skedaddle. I'm gonna be late. Okay. Yeah. Adios. Goodbye. Sag. Maybe we'll figure this out later.